Head-to-head sibling rivalry, time for another drag race. Now, if you watch the Rocket 3 versus Diavel drag racing video, you recognise Brother Ant. Welcome, Ant.
Back again. Some more punishment.
Not going to get the better of me today, I'm not having it. So today's drag race is pretty special. It's two of my favourite bikes that we've had on Bike World in a while. It's two of our project bikes. It's the Indian FTR 1200 flat track Mally Mile scramble racer death machine, and the KTM 950 rally bike that we built as part of the Unfinished Project series. Now, I'm going to ride the Indian FTR, mainly because I think it's a bit cruel to make Ant ride that. It is an animal. Okay, I think it's probably faster than the KTM. There's not a lot in it, but the FTR is an absolute animal. It is frisky. It is properly twitchy. It's not built for going flat out on gravel fire roads, but we're going to make it do it. So I'm on that. All the noise, all the horsepower, none of the grip. Should be amazing. And
I'm going to have the 950. Absolutely love this bike. I picked it up for Chris when he originally got it, when it was quite a rusty, horrible heap. And I loved it then. So he's made it even better with the development he's been doing on it. I look forward to riding it today. It's going to be great. And I'm going to win, because this is Chris's home turf, Chris's home ground of where he does all his work. So yeah, time to beat him.
You can't beat me here. You can't beat me here on my own bike. Well, technically they're both my bikes, so kind of I win, whatever. But yeah, no, the KTM I think has definitely got the grip advantage. Much taller, better tyres for the job.
Built for it.
Yeah, it's got Dunlop rally tyres on it. It couldn't be better set up for the terrain today. The Indian has got a horsepower advantage, but weight and grip disadvantage. So if we can make a drag race long enough, I've got you.
You've definitely won on noise anyway. Definitely. You don't get the sense of that on YouTube, but it does go right through your ears. That does.
Yeah, normally we'd say turn the volume up, but turn it down. So let's finish with the talking. Let's get these bikes, point them up a big gravel road and go flat out.
Sounds good.
These videos only happen because of the support and help from our sponsors. Support the companies that support us.
Because I was such a sore loser last time, what we have got today is the RaceLogic VBOX Sport. So RaceLogic have lent us one of these to give us a bit of accuracy to our figures for speed testing, performance testing and racing. So we're going to do a few runs with this on the Indian, a few runs on the KTM, and then we can have the argument about who was fastest afterwards. Well, victory won to me. This thing is terrifying. If you go and have a look at Ant's goggles, I got the jump off the start there and fired a big rock, and it hit him so hard it's pushed the goggle lens out of the frame, which must have been terrifying. But yeah, Ant is going to try starting in second gear now. That's always the secret with a drag race off-road. Second gear start saves one gear shift and you just get that traction a little bit earlier. So I've given him that secret now because I won the first one. So good luck, bruv. That was more like it. I gave the secret away there, didn't I, Ant?
Much better this time.
The old second gear start is the winner, definitely on gravel. Real even there. This has got more power to give for sure, the Indian. Are you on full throttle the whole time?
Not until we get to the top of second.
Yeah. and then full throttle.
Then it's full throttle through third.
Yeah, you see third, fourth, I'm still having to meter out the power on this because I've got way more horsepower than grip, which is always a position you want to be in. There was no roost sympathy there, was there? You absolutely battered me. Once you got the start, that was it.
How's your hand, bro?
Not good. How's your face?
Still a bit sore.
I'm feeling the sympathy for you now. So that one, you got the jump massively off the start. I fluffed the start, couldn't get the traction down, and then once that was it, I could never catch it back up.
Once I got it going, you can hold it on the stop and just click through the gears. It's all over the place. Hence ended up in front of you and peppered you.
Fully filled me in there. You'll see it on the onboard footage, but there were some big rocks flying. But yeah, I mean, again, as soon as I get a bit of grip, I claw on you, but then that's gone then. That definitely is working better out here. What do you reckon? One more winner takes all?
I think so, yeah.
Deal.
Deal.
Stupid. It's so ridiculous. Do you remember the last time I hit you in the face with a rock?
Yeah, Mum told you off.
She did. I got told off by my mum. That was with a Peugeot 205, and we were going a lot faster today.
Definitely. This FTR is just crazy.
It's wild,
crazy.
isn't it? I'm gonna be honest here. I was a bit scared today.
Yeah, definitely. The blow to the face definitely woke me up.
That's the trouble. If you got a bad start and dropped off behind the other bike, you just had these fist-sized rocks being spat at you, and there was nothing you could do about it, because if you roll off more, you go further into the roost, and if you get beat, terrifying. What's important though, we do have to declare a winner. You know, it's all about taking part, but it is important to declare a winner. That doesn't make that person a better sibling or a better brother or mum and dad's favourite, but today I won.
Yes.
Honestly, it was so close though, wasn't it?
It was so close. If you didn't get the good start, you were out when you get.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
the way
this-
with drag racing, I suppose.
Yeah, this 950 is so much more suited to it as well, isn't it? It hooked up off the line. You were second gear and starts at the end?
Yeah. When I got the hang of that, and then it would just go off the line. But later on, where the extra power of that FTR just comes back at you, you're going past me like I was going backwards. It's crazy.
It's nuts because it should only be 15-20 brake difference, but that FTR honestly feels like it's got a rocket up its subframe. It's terrifying and brilliant. So, I won today. I'm very happy about that. Only 35 years in the making, this one, but what do you want to race next? I think we should have another one. What now?
We definitely should. I think I should do what I'm good at and race you in a car.
Oh, car's never going to be the bike. I mean,